everybody, this is Julie with Beading, and I have another quick and easy DIY jewelry project for you. So this is a really classic pair of earrings. It's a very popular style that just never goes out of date, and I'm calling them, because of that, the Timeless Elegance Earring. And you see here it is a pretty crystal dangle, so it has 3 bicones on it. It has 2 smaller ones, which are 6mm in crystal golden shadow, and then it has a really nice big one, which is an amethyst blend, and it's a 10mm, and these are all Prestige crystals. And then I've got a nice, interesting earring hook style here as well. So if you look at my ingredients laid out, there's really only the 2 shapes, or I should say not shapes, but 2 sizes of bicones. You've got the 6 and the 10. You have a 2-inch head pin, and you have an earring hook. And you can really customize this based on the colors that you want, the earring hook style, whether it's silver or gold, a lot of options, and they're so easy to make. For your tools, you're going to need either a round nose plier or a wire looping plier. I really like the wire looping plier, which does some of the work for you. A pair of chain nose pliers, as well as a cutter. So let me show you how easy these are to make. So you're going to take your head pin and you're going to put one of your smaller bicones followed by the larger one, followed by another small one. So you've got all 3 of those right on your head pin. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab the head pin right above that last bicone, but you want to leave a little bit of gap because we're going to be making a wrapped wire loop and we're going to need a place for our wrapping. So you see how I have that right there between the concave nose and the round nose. And then I'm just going to squeeze, and you see how it did so much of the work for me, which is really nice. I bent over that wire. I'm going to rotate my pliers up to the top. And now I'm going to finish my wrappings. You just need to do 1 or 2. You just want it to be really nice and secure. And then once you've done a couple wrappings, you're going to trim your tail. And you just go in there right where they end and you trim it, you snip it off. And then you take your chain nose pliers and you're going to tuck that tail in just so it doesn't scratch you or catch on your clothing. So you're just pressing the sides with your plier. So now you got that nice dangle all complete, and we're going to open up the base of our earring hook, just twist it open a little bit and slip on our pretty earring. So let's just slip that right on and close the loop. So now we have finished our pair of earrings. It's been super fast, so it really does work with this quick and easy idea. And we have our finished pair of earrings that you can, of course, customize in any different color you want, and of course, silver, gold, anything you like. So if you like this video, please do check out our other ones over at beadaholique.com.